Module 8, Traditional Institutions and Community Development. 1. Role of traditional institutions in local development. Traditional institutions act as development facilitators, leveraging their social legitimacy, cultural authority, and influence to advance community well-being. Resource mobilization, mobilize communal labor, contributions, and local resources for development projects. Engage local stakeholders, philanthropic individuals, and external organizations. Advocacy and representation. Represent community interests to government agencies, NGOs, and donors. Advocate for policy interventions, infrastructure projects, and social programs. Cultural integration in development. Align development projects with cultural values, rituals, and traditions to ensure community acceptance. Use cultural narratives to promote collective action, participation, and ownership. Monitoring and evaluation. Chiefs and councils supervise project implementation and ensure accountability. 2. Areas of community development influenced by traditional institutions. Traditional institutions impact multiple facets of community life, including infrastructure development, construction of roads, markets, schools, and community centers, development of water supply systems, electricity projects, and sanitation facilities, education and human capital development, promote literacy, apprenticeship programs, and vocational training, encourage school enrollment, scholarship programs, and adult education. Healthcare and public health, facilitate access to primary healthcare, immunization campaigns, and maternal care. Promote traditional preventive healthcare methods alongside modern medicine. 3. Mechanisms for promoting development. Traditional institutions utilize participatory and culturally embedded strategies, community meetings and assemblies, mobilize residents to contribute ideas, resources, and labor. Ensure transparency and collective ownership of development initiatives. Leadership, mediation, and coordination. Chiefs and councils coordinate between different stakeholder groups. Resolve disputes or disagreements that may hinder project implementation. Collaboration with modern institutions. Partner with government agencies, NGOs, and private sectors to leverage resources. Integrate traditional norms with formal development plans for sustainability. Incentivization and recognition. Reward contributions through public acknowledgement, titles, or ceremonial honors. Encourage continued community engagement and participation. 4. Challenges in traditional-led development. Despite their strengths, traditional institutions face challenges in development initiatives. Resource limitations, insufficient funding, or human capital can stall projects. Modernization pressures, urbanization, and cultural shifts may reduce community participation. Political interference, government or political actors may influence or override traditional decision-making. Inequality and bias. Projects may favor certain clans or social groups if leadership is partial. Monitoring and accountability issues. Lack of formal documentation can affect transparency and evaluation. 5. Contemporary relevance. Traditional institutions remain essential in bridging the gap between grassroots communities and formal development agencies. They provide localized, culturally sensitive, and participatory development approaches that enhance project success and sustainability. Integration of traditional institutions into modern development frameworks strengthens community ownership, social cohesion, and long-term resilience.